I guess I should wait until you shut the door.
Yes, please.
Okay.
So I don't ruin your shot.
You technically already did since I'm recording. Friends, welcome back to Rookie Reefer Reviews. Today is Wednesday, so it's going to be another Kushy review. And on this episode, or whatever, video, whatever, we are going to be talking about strawberry cough. Now, hey, I'm back. I really like this strain. I've pretty much used all of what I have. The only thing that I have left is about this, like this little tree right here. It was much more thicker here. There was a lot more of the bulb about here, but I've been using this because apparently this helps with nausea, and I've been having that a little bit lately. But this time I'm actually going to try something different. I'm going to go, and before I tell you, what the effects will give you, the medical wise and all that kind of stuff, I'm going to smoke it, tell you how I feel, and see if it coincides with how it's supposed to make me feel. So let's do it. We're just switching things up because why not? It's Wednesday. All right, so I'm nice and high. So let's figure this out together. Okay, so it's been a couple of moments since I've smoked, and I'm definitely feeling like hand tingly. And then here up, total body, not body buzz, head buzz. So yeah, I feel that. I definitely feel happy. I feel like there's a perma smile right here. So that seems like it's pretty legit. I was feeling a little under the weather, and now I don't feel under the weather, like stomach problems kind of thing. But I feel great. I feel really good. So let's figure out what it all is and how it's going to make me potentially feel like how I'm already feeling. So let's find out. So, strawberry cough is a Sativa Dominant. Here, I'll show you the bud. Although now I've kind of reduced it a little bit, but okay, here. So it is a Sativa Dominant, so it's 80% sativa and 20% indica. The THC level is 18 to 21%. So that's why I'm feeling super good right now. So it says that it leaves veteran smokers coughing, hence the name strawberry cough. I don't think I smoked or coughed that much. Also, I didn't cough the entire time, I guess. The effects that the strawberry cough are going to give you are happy, which, yeah, I definitely said I had perma smile here, right here. Uplifted, yes, I definitely do. Energetic, I mean, I guess so. It's really focusing in my eye holes, so I feel like I could definitely be focused on something. And I mean, I guess I'm focusing on this, so yes. Euphoric, sure, yeah, all right. And relaxed, definitely feel relaxed. Some of the medical wise that it can help with are the stress, depression, fatigue, pain, and nausea. And I said that I was feeling upset, and now I don't. So, I mean, that's helpful, right? Yes. Oh, I didn't say anything about negatives. Oops. That's okay. Definitely feeling the dry mouth. And I mean, in regards to the eyes, they're not it's not like they're dry. They're just I can just feel everything in my eye holes. to put it lightly. I don't know how else to explain that. I don't feel dizzy. I don't feel paranoid or anxious. I feel great. This is a great strain. I really like it. Yeah, so that was Strawberry Cough, y'all. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday evening, I guess. And we'll see you on Saturday for another Reefer Madness. I don't know why I always emphasize that. Like, yes, it's gonna be exciting, I guess. But I kind of have this fun idea, and yeah, just wait. We'll see you Saturday. Stay high, friends. Bye.